This is my channel Tally Learning World. In today's video, we'll discuss about how to record B2C small invoices. To record B2C small invoices, we'll go to the voucher, we'll select the party who is a consumer or unregistered dealer. So we'll press Ctrl A. As you can see, my registration type and the country it's been displayed, and the state also it's been displayed in the party details screen. So let me select the sales ledger and the name of the item. I'll select the quantity 1 and I'll record a transaction for the party central tax, and let me select state tax. As you can see, my tax has been calculated automatically. So I'll accept the screen by pressing Ctrl A. To check this report, you can just press Alt G and you can use R1. As you can see, the transaction is appearing under B2C small invoices. So you can just drill down from the report till the voucher entry level. So there is one more transaction we can be recorded for B2C small invoices. To record that transaction, the party should be interstate. If the party is interstate or consumer or unregistered, if the transaction value is not exceeding more than 2,50,000, even those transactions also will come under B2C small invoices. As I have recorded this transaction of sales, let's check this report by pressing Alt G, R1 report. Now you can see the transaction is appearing under B2C small invoices for both the states, either interstate as well as my local state party. So there is one more information for this transaction. If the party is local, if the value is more than 2,50,000 and above, even those transactions also will come under B2C small invoices. So let me record a transaction for my local party. So you can see the invoice value, it's exceeding more than 2,50,000. I'll accept this transaction. So to check this report, I'll press Alt G, R1 report. Now you can see the transaction, it's appearing under B2C small invoices itself. So as you can see, the transaction will be a part of B2C small invoices. There is one more transaction for B2C small. If we record any sales return, even those transactions also will be a part of small invoices if any sales return is happening for consumer. So let me record any of the sales return transaction. To record this transaction, I'll go to the gateway of Tally, voucher. I'll select F10 for credit note. So I have selected here. I'll select the party local consumer. So let me provide the original invoice number for against which invoice I am recording this sales return. So I'll select the stock item. So I'll give the quantity and I'll select the tax ledgers. As you can see, there is an option provide GST details. So a reason for returning, I'll select sales return, and my buyer's debit note number I will specify here, and I'll specify the date. I'll try to accept the screen. So let me check this report. To check this report, I can press Alt G, R1 report. You can see the transaction is appearing under B2C small invoices. Under the state local party, the value has been reduced for this credit note. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel Tally Learning World and press the bell icon for more updates and new videos.